The zakat is an annual charge of 2.5% on any surplus wealth. The word zakat can be defined as purification and growth. It allows an individual to achieve balance and encourages new growth. The principle of knowing that all things belong to God encourages the purification of wealth and the growth of blessings. Zakat is obligatory on all Muslims who are able to do so. It is the personal responsibility of each Muslim to ease the economic hardship of others and to strive towards eliminating inequality in society. Zakat consists of spending a portion of one's wealth for the benefit of the poor and needy.
At a time when its representatives cannot even approach you to collect your charity because of the lockdown imposed due to the outbreak of novel coronavirus. So please consider it as your own responsibility and voluntarily come out and help your own institute. You can stay at home and transfer atiyat, zakat, sadqa. Your contributions can be transferred online directly to the given bank account, are eligible for income tax benefits under Section 80G. All for your support.